Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby D. Today guys, I want to show you how to make a wig, and I'm going to be doing that with a closure. So I'll be using 3 bundles of hair with different lengths. So I've got one of a 10-inch and I've got two 12 inches. I don't want my hair long. I just want something, like a shoulder length, and that's why I decided to use 10 inches and 12 inches. So I'll have it layered. I'll have the 10 inches at the back and then the 12 inches would be above. So if you're joining my channel for the first time, I want to welcome you specially. Welcome to my channel, and please consider subscribing and do not forget to turn the post notification bell on. And the reason for this is because whenever I drop a new video, you get a notification for that and you don't miss out on any of my videos. As you all can see, I already have my wig cap placed on my mannequin head. So I had to pin that down on the sides, the front and the back. Starting off with this wig, I would first off start by clipping down the closure at the front. I'm going to make sure I secure that in place, and then I have to sew all round. Now that I have secured that in place using the pin, it's time for me to sew all around the closure. So guys, do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to, and turn the post notification bell on so that whenever I drop a new video, you don't get to miss out on any one of them. Now that my closure is in place, I'm going to go ahead to start off from the back with the 10 inches hair. So guys, I'm going to leave you to watch how I sew this in. So guys, I am done making my wig. I completed the whole pack. I was able to use the 3 bundles of hair, and that is how it looks. And I love how short it is. It's just the shoulder length. I don't like when my hair becomes too lengthy and it stresses me quite a lot. So I'm going to use this, the olive oil. I've added a little bit earlier, but I just want to show you guys how. And see, just finger comb and then you are good to go. Yeah, this hair doesn't tangle at all. It doesn't. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. So do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and let me know your thoughts about this style in the comment box below. Till I come your way again next time, stay cool and be happy. Bye.